Hi, grade one. Today we are looking at units of measurement and we're going to be looking at mass. So you will have looked at some of this before, so it's a good recap. So our learning objective is to identify and compare the mass of objects using balance scales. So you don't need a balance scale, it's all part of the PowerPoint. So your success criteria, I can identify the mass of objects by counting uniform informal units and I can compare the mass of objects using in uniform informal units. Okay, so mass. What is mass? Some of the words that we identify with mass are heavier, heaviest, the same as, lightest, more than, equal to, lighter, and less than. So these are the new vocabulary that we're going to be looking at, and I want you to take a look at them and see, make sure that you understand what they all mean. So we have heavier, heaviest, lighter, lightest, less than, more than, the same as, and equal to. So find and compare the mass of the objects. So we're looking at here is your weighing scales. So this here is the weighing scales. And we put the objects into these little containers. These weighing scales have these containers. So the stapler weighs, how many marbles does the stapler weigh? So you can pause the video as you're going along so that you can answer it. So the stapler weighs 4 marbles. The pencil case weighs 6 marbles. So the stapler is lighter than the pencil case. So I would use the words that we have here to say the final sentence. The stapler is lighter than the pencil case. And I know that the stapler is lighter because it has less marbles, showing how much it weighs. So the stapler weighs 4 marbles, the pencil case weighs 6 marbles. So because the stapler has less marbles, the stapler is lighter than the pencil case. That's our first example. Okay, here 4, 6, and lighter. Okay. Find and compare the mass of the object. So the shoe weighs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 marbles. And the book weighs, wow, it weighs a lot. The book weighs 15 marbles. So the book is heavier than the shoe. So you can pause the video as you're going along. So the bottle weighs 12 marbles and the mug weighs 12 marbles. So the mug is the same as the bottle. So another way of saying that is the mug is equal to the bottle. The weight is the same because they use the same amount of marbles. The eraser weighs 2 marbles. The sharpener weighs 1 marble. So the eraser is heavier than the sharpener. The paint tin, as I can see already by looking at it, that it weighs a lot because there is a lot of marbles here. So the paint tin weighs 15 marbles. Remember, when you're doing it, you can pause the video and you can count yourself. The tablet weighs 18 marbles. That means the tablet is heavier than the paint tin. Find and compare the mass of these objects. So the stapler weighs 11 marbles, the laptop weighs 16 marbles, and the lunchbox weighs 14 marbles. So I would say the stapler is the lightest, and the laptop, of course, is the heaviest. Well done. So make sure you're pausing as you're going along. Right, your activity will follow and it will be to compare objects and their mass also. Best of luck.